Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the TOUMEI Mini Projector. You can get this product on Amazon for about $268. Check out the link in the description. The Mini Projector comes with a remote controller, a tripod, a power adapter and a user manual. My first impression is very positive. It's a nice looking, good quality mini projector, not too heavy and not too big. It has a TF card slot, a USB port, an audio jack and an HDMI port. Unfortunately, you can't use the remote control to turn on the projector. You have to use the power button on the device. The remote control can only be used to turn off the projector. Setting up the mini projector is very easy and only takes a few minutes. The settings are very easy to use. I didn't even need the user manual. The mini projector comes with Android 4.4 and you can download apps from the Play Store. I use the mini projector with my Bluetooth speakers. Connecting a Bluetooth device is very easy and doesn't take longer than a few seconds. I mostly use the mini projector with a Netflix and YouTube app, but you can also connect a USB device, an HDMI device or an SD card. I tested the mini projector for about 2 weeks and I think it's a great product. It's small, lightweight, it has a very nice picture, it works very good with the Netflix and YouTube app, and I can connect it with my Bluetooth speakers. So if you are looking for a small projector with a lot of features and a very good picture, I would recommend the TOUMEI Mini Projector. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.